Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to be looking at the GCSE Maths Higher Paper number 1, which is the non-calculator paper from 2018. We're going to have a look at question 1, which is worth 1 mark. So the question is to work out the cube root of 64 times 1000. Okay, so 64 times 1000. So what you could, one way of doing it is you could do 64 times 1000 and then take the cube root, but we can use a rule similar to the one for the multiplication of surds. So the square root of a times the square root of b is equal to the square root of a times b. The same formula applies for cube root. So the cube root of a times the cube root of b equals the cube root of a times b. So a in our question is 64 and b is 1000. So the cube root of 64 multiplied by the cube root of 1000 is equal to the cube root of 64 times 1000. Now the cube root of 64 happens to be 4 because 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. The cube root of 1000 is 10 because 10 times 10 times 10 is 1000. So we get to 4 times 10, which is 40. And only now do I look for the answer 40, which happens to be here. So the answer is 40.